We have an update tonight on the carbon monoxide issue at holiday Twin Rinks last week, which resulted in more than 100 people being treated at nearby hospitals. Joining us side's Nate Benson has been looking into this. And Nate, you've been told there were some issues with the detectors before Christmas?
Yeah, that's right, Dave. On Friday, we showed you video from December 23rd where staff members were talking about the detectors going off and that they couldn't fix it. Holiday Twin Rinks building supervisor Jim Bender tells me tonight that he was first made aware about the CO detectors issue on December 20th or 21st as he spent several days trying to get them fixed. He followed the manufacturer's guidelines and used compressed air to clean them, but he notes the detector issue we saw in that video was different than the CO issue that happened on December 27th. That was an isolated to the heater in the lobby and an ice resurfacer. So while there were two CO related issues within days of each other, they weren't related and just a coincidence. Bender reiterated that he is extremely concerned and sorry about everything that happened, and they are working diligently to make things right and repair equipment. Holiday Twin Rinks said over the weekend they plan to reopen tomorrow, but now they're saying they won't reopen until Friday, January 5th. On your side, Nate Benson, Channel 2 News.